We're so happy you chose the EV 675 robotic vacuum. This automatic machine comes with several features that we hope will make your life easier. We'll walk you through those features in this video. You can turn your robot on and off with the power switch. The button on top of the robot will start and stop the robot. The clip sensors on the bottom front of the robot will help keep it from falling downstairs or drop-offs. We walk you through cleaning the sensors in this video. The bumper will protect the robot should it run into anything. These edge cleaning brushes rotate to move debris from the ground towards the brush roll. To see how to properly clean the brushes, check out this video. The brush roll also sweeps debris into the dustbin. The dustbin release button is at the back of the robot, and when pressed, it releases the dustbin so you can empty it. To learn how to clean and empty the dustbin, watch this video. The front and rear wheels help steer the robot around your home. The removable battery can be found underneath the robot. For steps on replacing or removing the battery, see this video. On the robot's docking station, you'll see 2 connection points and the DC port for charging. Now that you've seen all the features of your robot, you can start cleaning your home.
Alexa, ask RoboVac to start cleaning.
Ethan, where are you?
Low battery, heading home. Finish charging. Resume cleaning.